in just a moment today's video. But first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We are inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, compliments of our intuitive arts and self-growth school, Zen Academy, where we feature a huge catalog of courses and certifications to help you constantly improve yourself in your self-growth and as an intuitive arts professional. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to today's video. I want to talk about the wisdom of fear. Anything really worth doing in our lives will always have, or most of the time, have some fear attached to it. Having a baby, getting married, changing careers, all life changes can bring up deep fears. They all have the potential to bring up some kind of deep fear. But this type of fear is good fear, okay? Let's talk about the wisdom of this kind of fear. It's your way of checking in with yourself to verify that you are making the right decision. It's also a reminder that releasing and grieving the past, also being thankful for the past experience that you're leaving, is a necessary part of moving into the new. Wise fear, as I think we should call this kind of fear, let's do it, let's do a new thing, #wise fear, has a way of throwing us off balance, making us feel uncertain and insecure, but it is not meant to discourage us. Its purpose is to notify us that we are at the edge of the comfort zone, poised in between the old life and the new life. And whenever we face our fear, whatever new fear that is, into the new phase, we overcome some inner obstacle and move into a new and life-enhancing territory. Ooh, life-enhancing territory, both inside and out. And the more we learn to respect and even welcome fear, if that's a thing, the more we will be able to hear its wisdom. Wisdom that will let us know that the time has come to move forward, or not. So while comfort with fear is a contradiction in terms, we can learn to honor our fear, recognizing its arrival, listening to its intelligence, and respecting it as a harbinger of transformation. It informs us that the change we are contemplating is significant, enabling us to approach it with a proper reverence and a different attitude than I'm afraid, right? But approaching it with a reverence that something huge is coming to transform me, or I'm creating a catalyst for change. And sometimes it's scary that you have that much power in your life to create that big of a change, right? Oh, you might want to converse with that fear, talk to it, diving deeper for a greater understanding of the change that you're about to make. You can do this by sitting quietly in meditation, by listening to yourself, by journaling, something like that, something that takes you inward to really have a conversation with that wise fear. And write down whatever comes up, your worries, your sadness, your excitement, your hopes. All of these are great ways to learn about yourself through the vehicle of that wise fear. And to remember that fear, that wise fear, almost always comes along with anything worth doing in your life. As always, I am here for the feel good, holding it down, trying to create a safe space. Drop a #FeelGoodFam if you feel me. Give me some love back. I want to hear from you. I want to see you. I want to see your beautiful faces in the comments. My goal is that you leave refreshed and balanced. Love you guys. Don't forget to drop your thoughts on today's inspiration, and let's talk again tomorrow. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge. Compliments of Zen Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive PhD-backed education to improve your life and to get professionally certified in your intuitive arts career. Mediumship, tarot, self-growth. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.